So we just finished helping Tatay learn how to walk again, and now we are on our way to, yeah, we had his walking exercises, and now we are on our way to the peanut field, or how do you call that? We'll go to Nanay and help her harvest the peanuts. So I'll show you the way. There. Before this way, look. This is cocoa. So this one, we make this for chocolate. There, that's cocoa. See, there's more on the top, and there's more on this side there. See, there's a lot. Okay, let's go. Kinsa? Tatay planted those cocoa, by the way, cocoa trees. This is our water reservoir. Aray. There. Down there is our copra, how do you call that? Stove or something? Copra dryer. We'll go there later. Right now, we'll go to harvest the peanuts. This one are the dragon fruits. They're not really working good or growing good, so we have to transplant them to the other farm. It's our goat. She's about to give birth. There. Hala. Abot man sa kuan, oh. Sa buo avocado. There's another goat here. She's also pregnant. I think she's a she. Liday. It's hot. There's more chickens from the farm. Chicken. There's more there. Wag gani katubo tungod sa kugon. Those plants there, that's cassava, or that's the one you make tapioca. Unsa? Ambot unsa ni na? That's banana. Yeah. Napay dragon fruit, oh. It's very crowded here. There's more chickens. There's a lot of weeds here. They already harvested here. Oh. These are the peanuts. We just have to remove the nuts from this, from the, how do you call that? Nay! Out, there they are. There they are. Let's go. What, mami kanhi ganina?
Nag-walking when I.
Oh, what happened to the banana tree? There. So, see, those are the peanuts. You remove them from this. They already pulled it out from the ground, and you just remove this peanuts and put here. Na siguro. Hali. Ato ka sa aisle dayo dito. So, just wash my hands. This was a rice field before, and it was drought season, so Nanay planted sweet potato here. These are sweet potatoes. Now, last week it started raining. It's like every day. This week it rains every day. So the sweet potato is now flooded. And then I also has spring onions here. See, it's flooded. I am wearing boots, by the way, because it's hard to walk without boots. The ground is so wet, and the peanuts were here. So you can see here, this is where the peanuts were. So they already pulled it out or off the ground. See, this is the water, how do you call that? Canal. There's more. There's more goats. We have 4 goats, by the way. That's Lucy there. She's not wearing boots because the boots that Nanay have at the house is very small. Hi, buddy. How are you doing? Hello. Hi. So Nanay harvested the corn already. She's almost done. Hey. And here, she's also pregnant. Nay, tulo ka kanding ang kuan? Buntis? So three goats are pregnant. The 2 other ones there and this one. And this one is male goat. There's more cocoa tree. Oh, dito mako nilabay mako. That's Nanay there. Ah. Mao ba? Asa man imong asa maron gihakot ng romnik? Ah. She harvested 1 sack of rice already. Pila ganit? Oh, rice. 1 sack of sweet potato. Pila gani ka kilo ang usa ka pullard? 50 kilos of like the sack that they used is a 50 kilo rice sack. So that's what she harvested today. It's sweet potato. There's the corn. So there was a delay on harvesting them because of what happened to Tatay. So everything here is delayed. See, as you can see, they're already on the ground. And they're overdue actually. Oh. Lagi Manuel dumataron. Mana manguli na di sila? Ah, wala manguli ra di putadayon ron. So there's more there. There's a lot of work to be done here because there's a lot. Nay. Nanay had a bitter gourd plants there. Nay, unsa na tanom dito nay? Ah, there's sweet potato there. So, we'll take you there for a second. Ali, nay. Oh, ibilin ra. Okay. That's the road. And that's the store there. There's coconut. Oh, there. Hold on. Wait, nay. Ayaw sa. Praing non harvest po ka. Welcome to now. There, that's the corn. Ah, ging ana nimo pag-harvest nay. There's more. It's Nanay there. Nanay and Tatay are very hard working. Unsa nga nang maisa nay? Hybrid corn. Lucy will also help Nanay. There, let me see if you know how to harvest.
Like what she did?
Yeah. Just copy what she did.
See?
Very good.
See the moon?
Put it in your armpit just like she did, what she did.
I have another one in here.
5, 4,
Countdown.
3, 2, 1. Ah, you need more practice. That's what Nanay did. Put in the armpit. And this is our dog. Unsay nga niya nay? Black. 2 blacks.
Mo ring mingawon si tatay kay.
Harvest na dyan today.
Di ko sa kanding nga ako ang gamit.
Hala, adto day.
Usap-usap po na.
The goat is messing up Lucy's stuff. Hiniktan, binuhian, pinakanding sa bukid day. So, yan na ha. I'll take you there. I think that's avocado there. That one and that. That looks like avocado. Nay, avocado na, nay? Kana ba ang duha? Avocado na? Yeah, it's avocado. I was right. Ato taday ay. Ato, kamutihan. Dadana lang kay murag ganahan man pud mo mag-read aloud ang kuan kanding.
Wala sa butang saka ana.
Diha ra day.
Ha?
Asa? Oh, wrong way. Wrong turn, Clyde. Nanay said the way is here because it's very steep that way where we were heading. See, the rats ate them already. See? Ay, wak shoot. There.
Libro ana kuan.
So this is the sweet potato. Nanay harvested 1 sack of them today. Just this afternoon. Yeah, that's the sweet potato. Let's go. Nanay, we will follow you. Go, Dai. How about just leave that stuff here? Oh, okay. Watch out for the wires. Wire. Ay! Gunit, Dai! Pila kano sana ni mo gitanom na? Ay sana wat ako. Kano sana ni mo gitanom?
Ya, manis ko an.
June, nanay planted this. Ala, the rat already ate it.
Gana.
Wow.
Meron
There.
mo plana ani.
Sweet potato.
Dere Lisa. July, August, September.
Dili, dili.
Unsa ni
Ano
avocado?
on?
Avocado ni Loy.
Gamay pa man na ini. Oh,
Avocado ni duha.
avocado.
Daghana naman dayon na tanan dayon.
There's more banana. Evergreen. If you're wondering why Lucy is bringing ukulele, she's going to sing and send it to her students. So, and then she's gonna read aloud too, and we'll send it to her students. There's more. Hala, that's big. Dako. Big is dako in Bisaya. In our dialect. Dako. D-A-K-U. Dako. It's big. Hala, there's more. Hala, that's a lot. Wow, look. Wow, look at that. Wa na dahon ay kay mo ba mo ali. Ay dara. Na daghan na oy. Ala, ayo ko na nay. This is the first harvest nay. First harvest for this. Hala na daghan man dai nay. Wow, that's big. That's a lot. Nay gabi na nay. Kana ba nasunod nimo? That's yam. That big leaves, that's yam. This one. Yam. More? Aw, diha day. Pag-practice na, ang ayos anang ukulele mo. There's more. Ayan. Yeah, wow. There's a lot. Your hat, nice. It's a holy hat. Your hat is holy.
Very old na.
Very old na.
Paminawa Loy.
Yun, panigawin man.
June, July, August. Pila ka days? 45 days since you plant this potato. You can harvest it.
Dito dagko diday.
Ano ba?
Babaw dagko kayo.
And then we also have sugar cane. That one. That's sugar cane. We have banana everywhere. Like there's banana, there's more bananas. That's why we have a lot of bananas in the house. There's more there. See? Yeah. See, there's more bananas there. That's why we eat a lot of bananas. We have a lot of bananas. Wow. Daghag unod nay? Hala. That's a lot.
Loy hiyak loy. Picture ko. Tanaw na. Pagtiyan. Ito ni hiyak.
Hala, hiniyak man gud ko. Di na jud mahiyak.
Mo na ginas.
Yeah. So, hala, daram ah. Nay,
Nay, guniti
the
na.
rat
Guniti sa nay.
is
Guniti sa kay dako.
enjoying it. See? Ikaon sa ilaga. So, if you can, as you can see here, there are mounds. I don't know if it's clear in the video. That's mound. Every plant is in the mound. Or there's mound. How do you say that? The sweet potato tops are also edible. This one, this can be like veggies. Yeah. The young ones, this one. The tops, sweet potato tops. There. This one, you just trim this. I may have to make for tonight's dinner. Ano sa si tatay nagkuan? Ano sa gubon? Oh, tatay actually made the mounds.
Yes, Nanay and Loida. Mom and my sister. In the middle of sweet potato plantation.
Yeah. So tatay made the mounds and nanay planted the sweet potatoes. See, as you can see from here, it's going up. That's the mound. And they put the sweet potato on top. It's like volcano. It's on top of the mound. Top, middle. Gataw. Minggataw. It's showing already. Wow.
Apa daghan oh. Balik na karon gato ang pa.
Kunara, ayo daghana.
Tam na ni siya.
Na.
Napa dato?
So, there's more there.
Wala sa dato.
Ta.
Ito taade.
Karsada tagi. Aw, mag-record pa dai siya nay. Mukanta sa siya nay. Dinhi.
Nay signal.
Di mag-record raman. Luz is going to sing. She wants me to tune up the ukulele. Gunete oh. Gunete ayo sulupin sa mira. Kuanday ate.
Edgar pila sweldo. Edgar. 250 ang buwa. Adlaw.
Aw inadlaw dete. Alam may pang mga
naapay motor.
may pa di ay manambaho sa umat.
Oo, kay tagkuan pa, tag 350. Amo dani 3, mag 350 na po. Kay iga 350 na sa matinaw. Patrabaho 300. Na di ay mo trabaho wa.
There's more. Dahil look.
Sweet potato. Kamote. Kamote ragod na pasat sweet pa gyud.
Na ani amo mungog jud anang
Ayub. Lami dalo no. Lami dalo sa Amerika na ba?
lagi.
Ilang kamote ato? Ilang kamote ato ti kaway lami. Lata te, lata. Lata nga dili tamis.
Maderti ko te.
Maderte. Hala oy.
Pinan.
Usar pug kabuok. Iso na. Hala unsa man pagdani ate oy.
Ana.
Hala di ba nakatol?
Kana imo duha.
Ay, gabi man na dahil good.
Napod ay
Na para pa siya biyabas. Unsa na lang.
Salamat sa mga panalangin.
Ano mo gilabog?
Di. Ah.
Maigog po ito mabuling.
Kabugay gid ote oy.
Ba? Biyabas. Di gazad si ate kay
Dira.
manay ko kay malipay man na si Janaro.
Katawaon. Unsa man pagbitbit niya karon? Napa siya biyabas.
Iya man kanon.
Isa na siya ubos.
Nana.
Guava.
Nabi to na to.
Iso na ang burusa kahubo gina sa exam mo.
Kaari noon.
Kahubo na ron.
Namo day. Dapat naidaghan.
Narabay mo mask diha.
Amerikano. Ugmo.
Kuning siwi.
Ugmo. Ug mga niko daghang madana ho.
Nama ko pa diha makaon.
Muti. Magdag bulang hoy.
Dapat suman.
Magdag suman, magdag mais. Ang mga tiguan mo ano ay di pangatuan. Ang mga bata.
Ano na kayo dito posting ka?
Ang Ginoo mate, ang Ginoo magapanalangin kaninyo.
Sabi ko ugulan ka awa di na nga nag-aabot ninyo mga panalangin.
Napay mais ay ang giwan tuay na.
Wa pa koy bantayan kay ari ko kami.
Sa gibantayan.
Ay hala.
Wala sa ko. Manok.